As a data-driven agency, access to information and good quality information is critical towards our client success. Hey everyone, my name is Aanarav Sareen and I'm one of the founders of P3 Media. When you go into different e-commerce platforms, ad platforms, and other analytics platforms, you have to go into different sections and different portals and different logins, and it's very confusing. You can't run a holistic business that way. So the tools that we use allow us to see everything from Shopify, Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok, affiliate, Google Analytics, and every single data point that matters to us in a single place. This isn't some magic, right? This is purely relying on third-party platforms that allow you to integrate all these different data sources into a single dashboard. And if you want, you can even have this data emailed to you every single day or anytime there's a big change that happens on your store. So the two platforms that we use and recommend the most internally at P3 are Swidoo and Watergraph. Now, with these different platforms, you are effectively connecting different sources and building out a custom report that works for you. They do have different templates, they do have different kind of generic templates that you can use and different reports that you can use, but you can build your own. You're not accounted or held responsible for using just their specific reports that are generated. So how do you do this? First, plug in your data source. Second, configure the report. So in this particular example, we use Watergraph, and you can just drag and drop the different sections into any display that you want, and you can have different sort of graphs and custom elements. The other thing that works really, really well is the ability to have custom metrics. So one of the things that we use internally is just the total cost of advertising. Now, that's not readily available because it requires information from multiple sources. It requires information from Shopify, it requires information from your ad platforms, and maybe even email. So what we do is we just build a custom formula, total revenue divided by kind of the cost of all the different services, and that can be updated on a daily basis. If you need help building your custom report for your store, feel free to reach out at p3media.com.